Okay, this is Monday, the 29th of October. And yesterday night, Sunday, at the open up market, we have three opportunities for the gap system, and they were on the Euro AUD, the GBP AUD, and the Euro NZD. Let's see, GBP AUD. Yes. So there were the Euro AUD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD, and Euro NZD. Now, all day this trade has just been on negative, but you can see that this gap here. So we had a gap from yesterday. That gap has been closed right now, and you can see that price throughout today was at the bottom here, so below our entry price. So it was a negative, but just this evening we've seen price just start to push to the upside. And if you notice, that move to the upside had just been in recent in the past couple of hours. You can see around here. So this is where we started to move up. So from around, it was from around 8 a.m. that the GBP AUD started to push up. But if you look at the Euro AUD, it might be more. You can see with the Euro AUD, you can see at the point where we started to see price push to the upside. And I'm still looking forward to price coming and hitting us. I'll take profit here, or I'll close the trade at some point when the market closes for today and opens for, or when the daily candle closes today and opens a new one for tomorrow. But clearly you can see that this gap has closed. You will notice as well that this is where the gap, so that's the full gap there, but price actually opened at this point here. And the reason for that is at the beginning of the market, when the market is opened on Sunday, the spread on currency pairs is usually very wide on this broker and on most brokers, as it were, and that's why from the outset we had actually lost about 14 pips. So the spread was up to 14 pips on this currency pair, but still we have seen price close the entire gap, which shows that the principle stays. But all through the day, price went down, and right now price is pushing to the upside, and we hope to continue seeing that for the rest of the day. So if price pushes to the upside and gets to this level again, or even gets to this level again, you can see that our stop loss is going to be hit. So that's our expectation, and there's no guarantee. But you notice as well that stop loss has been moved to this point here now. And as things progress, the automated system, the EA, will keep moving the stop loss and just manage this trade for us. Okay, so that's Euro AUD. GBP AUD is something similar. Yeah, and we're also expecting price to continue to push to the upside, because you can see price has bounced at this level a few times. So let's see over the next couple of days if price continues to push to the upside, and what happens in Europe, in the UK and Europe, if we get some favorable wind blows to the upside. Okay, and then the final one is the Euro NZD. With Euro NZD, you can see price push to the downside, give us a gap, close the entire gap, but this was Euro NZD. The gap, the spread on this was about 19-20 pips, so we got fielding just close to the top of the gap. However, price moved to the downside all day, and now is beginning to push to the upside. So let's see. You can see what price is doing here. So let's see what happens throughout the day. Technically, the gap principle has been fulfilled, but we are still on this trade, and let's see if price continues to push us to the upside, and we can see more profit on that. On the Euro NZD, once I am in positive, so if price is going to retrace this entire move, we'll probably get to 61.8. Even if it gets to 50, the 50 level, Fibonacci level, 50 level, or half of the move. 50 is not a Fibonacci number. 50% retracement. I'm going to take half of that trade off, just to protect my capital, as it were. So we are just how many pips away from 50, so I'll be probably at 11 pips, 12 pips in profit, but I'll let the other half continue running to the end of the day. Okay, but even if we took just this move here, we can see that price now is on the 61.8, and that's why it's slowed down. But we will see. We'll see how things if this continues to move to the downside. If it continues to move to the downside, then I will be out of this trade at some point. But let's see. Can't preempt. You can't preempt price too much. But we'll see where this takes us. But looking positive. This month we've had a very good run. Single digit, about 7.5% on most of the accounts, so 6 to 7%, and on one account, a smaller account, it's actually double digit, about 11% profit so far. So yeah, that's not too bad for the month of October. And that's the 5TT gap EA system. Don't forget, you get the opportunity to have this system for free. I'm giving it away, but there is a reason why I'm doing that, and you just need to go find out, follow the link below this video and see why I'm giving this away. Okay, all right, let's speak to you soon. Remember, we are over 150% up in 2018, and that has been primarily due to the 5TT gap system, and I have used 100% the auto trader to achieve those results for myself and for my clients. Okay, until next time, you take care, stay disciplined, and let's see you soon. Cheers.